Have you ever made a strong decision only to quit a few days later? You promised yourself to wake up early, use your phone less, or stick to a diet, but soon you're back to your old self. Then you think, I just don't have willpower. But the truth is, the problem isn't you, it's your method. Willpower isn't something that magically appears. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be trained. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple but powerful methods that can turn your weak willpower into a solid mindset that no temptation can break. Let's get started. Find what you truly want. Most people fail because they're chasing goals they don't really care about. They say they want to get fit, but it's just because others are doing it. If your goal doesn't come from your core, your mind will resist it. Ask yourself, do I want this for me or for others' approval? A real goal should match your values, feel meaningful, not just impressive, give you both excitement and peace when you think about it. Once you find a goal that's truly yours, half the battle is already won because your mind will start working for you, not against you. Trick your mind, don't fight it. The biggest mistake people make is thinking willpower means fighting yourself. Wrong. Your brain is a clever enemy. If you fight it, it will always win. The trick? Deceive it smartly. Too tired to exercise? Don't say, I'll work out for 1 hour. Say, I'll just do 5 minutes of warm-up. Your brain says, okay, that's easy. And once you start, your body and momentum take over. Same with studying. Tell yourself just 10 minutes. After that, your focus mode kicks in naturally. Willpower isn't about forcing yourself. It's about understanding yourself and using your brain's own rules. Fix your environment, not just your motivation. People always look for motivation, but forget that environment is stronger than motivation. If your phone is always nearby, you'll get distracted, no matter how motivated you feel. If your friends constantly avoid responsibility, you'll slowly become like them. So change your environment first. Remove temptations before they remove your focus. Want to eat healthy? Don't buy junk food. Want to study? Leave your phone in another room. Want to wake up early? Put your alarm far from your bed. A well-set environment saves your mental energy, and the less energy you waste, the more willpower you have left for what really matters. Be honest, not harsh with yourself. Some people think being disciplined means being cruel to themselves. They fail months and immediately say, I'm weak, I'll never make it. That attitude kills self-respect, and without that, you can't have real willpower. So if you mess up, don't punish yourself, analyze it. Ask, why did I give up? Was it stress, tiredness, or distraction? When you understand the reason, you regain control. But when you just blame yourself, you lose it. So the next time you fail, say this, I made a mistake, but I'm learning. That simple sentence can rebuild your mental strength faster than any motivational quote. Make your progress visible. The brain loves progress, but it needs to see it. If it stays invisible, motivation fades away. Track your improvements. Studying more? Use a calendar and mark each productive day. Working out? Record your weight or take photos every week. Using your phone less? Check your screen time stats. Every time you see proof of progress, your brain gives you a dopamine reward and you keep going. Naturally, this is how habits are built and discipline becomes automatic. Remember, strong willpower doesn't mean you always feel motivated. It means you have a system that keeps you moving even when you don't. Willpower is like a muscle. Every time you keep your promise, it grows stronger. And every time you break it, it weakens. But remember, building willpower is a journey, not a destination. It's something you train, not something you find. That's why successful people seem unbreakable, because they've learned that failure isn't the end, it's part of the process. If this video helped you, do one small thing. Like the video so I know it's worth continuing, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because we've got a lot more to build together.